Greetings from the Casa de Single Wide News. Leroy, your humble reporter, churning out some more updates on this weird and wonderful world that we're living in. Well, I thought the other day that the Supreme Court had dropped all of the cases without looking at any of the evidence for any voter irregularities in the 2020 election. But I was wrong. They had a couple more to drop, and they just dropped them. Sidney Powell had a couple, and none of the lower courts have looked at any of the evidence. They were all dismissed on procedural grounds, and so now the Supreme Court has told the American people to shove it as well. They're worthless as tits on a boar hog. We don't have a judicial system. It does not exist for the American people. It's a crying shame. And one political party, the Democrats, I believe is 100% corrupt, and the Republicans are only about 90 to 95% corrupt. I don't know how we're going to move forward with the situation that we've got. We had CPAC over the last couple of days, and I listened to them, and most of them anyway, and they said lots of nice things, and President Trump spoke, and I enjoyed what he had to say, and he was the only one that even mentioned that there was problems with the voting in 2020. They're all talking about how we're going to win in 2022 and 2024. Well, you're not going to win anything if you don't fix a freaking election that just got, apparently, it seems to me that it was straight up stolen. They changed the laws beforehand without going through the state legislature. So they illegally changed the laws. We know thousands of dead people ended up somehow. I'm not saying that dead people voted, but I'm thinking that maybe some living people voted for the dead people, pretended to be dead people that were voting. Because I don't want this to be fake news. There's also a bunch of underage people. Apparently, they go ahead and register them to vote when they're 16, when they get their driver's license, and they all seem to have voted. We've got half a dozen states at least that had more votes than there were registered voters in the states. Of course, even all the mainstream media, including Fox News, said that the president was lying about there being any type of significant voter or election irregularities, and I don't know of one major network that has done any investigative reporting, any investigation on the election. Now there's some independent ones that did. The Epoch Times, Project Veritas, even Mike Lindell of the owner of the My Pillow company. They all did investigative reporting on this. And then the mainstream media says it's all been debunked. Well, how did they debunk it? They didn't do any investigations. They asked the people that these lawyers and these roughly 2,000 witnesses that signed under penalty of perjury, they asked the people that are being accused of these fraudulent actions if they cheated and they said no. And then they attack the character of the people that actually do the investigative reporting and say it's debunked. It's just absolute, it's just absolutely shameful. Absolutely shameful. Unless we fix this election and fix all the problems with it and make sure that the rightful person ends up in the seat that they were elected to, this republic is over. I did think of one scenario that would be kind of funny if it happened. If they'd straighten out the future irregularities and then have Donald Trump run for a seat in the House of Representatives in 2022. Follow me here. This could be cute. Okay, 2022, he gets voted in to the House of Representatives. The Republicans take over the House of Representatives and take over the Senate and make Donald Trump Speaker of the House. Well, now you can impeach a president for a flipping ingrown toenail. So go ahead and impeach Biden or throw him out with the 25th Amendment or whatever, and then impeach Kamala Harris, and then the Speaker of the House takes over as president, and we got Donald Trump as president again. Wouldn't that be special? Anyway, just a happy thought I thought I'd end this one with. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless you one and all. I love you. Please like, share, subscribe. Click that little dinger bell so you'll be notified when I come out with another video. And I will talk to you very, very soon. God bless you. Bye now.